So much progress in here. How are you this morning? Nice to see you. So
Nice to see you. Yeah, well. How's it all going?
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, very well. Good to see you. Well, nice to see you too. G'day. Yeah, good to see you again. How's it all going?
That's it.
Yeah, that's great. G'day, how are we going? Excellent. Where we're going to head? Where we're going to head for our briefing?
yes.
Yeah, I'll try to.
We'll have Alison.
Can I have your phone for a second? You want this one? Great. Sorry guys, it's a bit fast from here on in.
You should be in there, Nick. Yeah, you should be in there. And so they'll be able to combine the emergency and emergency response groups here.
Very good. Great. Okay. Which way are we heading? Yeah. That was hot that day. That was hot. I did, or I was just evaporating.
Yes.
So my ankle has to heal until the...
Thanks, sir. Well done. Pretty concrete. I remember getting off the bus thing.
Steve, I met you a while ago actually.
Yeah.
At Western Sydney Airport. We
Oh, yeah.
had that over as well. So I'm here now.
Now you're here.
Yeah, it's good.
You are a man of action.
That's it. No, it's good actually.
All our big projects.
It's absolutely fantastic being here. Yeah, I love it.
How long you been up?
Probably this is my fourth week. Yeah, and I'll be probably here about a year and a half.
Oh, okay, great.
Yeah, so yeah, no, it's good. I'm looking forward to it. It's good working with these guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bringing in now Australian standards and all this sort of stuff. No.
How's the training going with the guys on site?
Yeah, good. Actually, fantastic. Actually, they're adapting very, very, very well. No, it's great.
A bit warmer than Western Sydney Airport though.
Oh, yeah. I'm melting.
Humid.
I'm melting.
Hello, Western Sydney Airport. Steve, how you going?
Good, yourself?
Yeah, good, thank you. Good to see
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Indeed.
Nice to meet you.
G'day, how are you? So how long you guys been working on the site?
4 months.
Yeah, great to be back.
Good to have back.
Get over here.
Good work. Are you? Yeah, excellent. Learning one or two things from our Aussie mates. Your Aussie mates?
So, Bim left.
Well,
Working at the safety.
how are you? G'day. So do you guys work 6 days, 5 days? Very good.
See you there. Yeah, that would be better.
Certainly would be better.
She was in Canberra last year, and I was comparing Alex. My time in Australia.
Good morning, Mr. Fuller. Rescue division has been involved in our military career. spent a lot of time overseas with
Well, first of all, it's wonderful to be here with the Minister and joined by the Australian Foreign Minister and the Minister for International Development in the Pacific to be here at Blackrock. This is a tremendous facility that is being built here right before us, and we're standing in one of them, work in progress, literally, as you're prepared to go out and serve in the great missions that Fiji has been so famous for doing. I mean, it's been 40 years now and more where Fiji has served, and we have a particular veteran down here. As you say, it was on your 11th, I think, deployment now, and over 12 years, and that is a tremendous sacrifice and commitment. And we know that there's been some 52 Fijians who have made the ultimate sacrifice for the incredible work that you do in peacekeeping missions around the world. We are in Australia very, very proud to serve beside and with the Fijian Defence Forces. You do an absolutely fantastic job in the work that you do through all of those peacekeeping missions, and I know it's tough. You'll be away from your family, from your kids, from your extended family, and I know how important Vavali is in Fiji. It's very important, and so they'll be very proud of what you're doing. I know that your Prime Minister is. I was with the Prime Minister Bainimarama yesterday, and we had a good get-together, and I was talking about coming up here, and I know how proud he is and the President is of your service. So I wish you all the best for your service. Stay safe, keep the peace, and we're very proud to be working with you, and we thank you very much for your service. Thank you.
They enjoyed it. They enjoyed it. They enjoyed it very much over the course of the week. Is the rugby union.
Here's what it is. Here's what it is.
So I'll see you around. I'll be back. 2 months on, 2 months off. Cheers.